name is John Denton, and how y'all doing? Yeah, I mean, well, just talking about this insurance plans and Obamacare and all that kind of thing. Well, I believe you got to have insurance. Now, there was a man came to me years ago, and I've been paying on it ever since then. But he came to my door. I invited him in. He started talking about his insurance plan. He went on and on and on and on and on about it. Sounded like a pretty intelligent man, Well, because if you have to listen to them, you got to make sure you understand what exactly they're going to be offering you. And so, a man and a fool and his money is soon parted. That's what I always used to hear. My mama used to say that to me. So I said, well, sir, let me get this straight. Now, you've been talking here for about an hour. I just want to make sure I understand this as plain as I can. And I said, I'm going to speak plain to you. And he said, all righty. I said, so are you saying that once I die, all I have to do is come into that office and collect my $1 million? And he said, yes, sir, that is the plain truth of it. And he says, you're the kind of man that doesn't look like anybody can put anything over on him. And I said, no, I'm not. So he brought out the papers, and I said, let me get this straight one more time. He said, when I die, all I have to do is come into your office and collect $1 million. And he said, that's right. I said, well, I'll take that policy.